Moving on to the next problem. So dy by dx will be equal to e power x minus e power minus x divided by e power x plus e power minus x. Just rearrange the equation. If you observe the right hand side, it is a complete function of x. So dy will be equal to e power x minus e power minus x divided by e power x plus e power minus x times dx. Integrate on both the sides. Y will be equal to, what do you get here? If you take the denominator as numerator is a derivative of t. So you will get log of denominator e power x plus e power minus x plus you can take it as log c. So what will you get? Log of c into e power x plus e power minus x is equal to y. So c into e power x plus e power minus x is equal to e power y. You can write it like this. So this is C. This is one of the answers. You can actually leave with this also. So this is also right answer because we have written it in the form of y is equal to f of x. You can leave it with this, or you can write it in this form. This is going to be in the form of. It is going to be in the form of an implicit function. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt. So how do we integrate that e power x minus e?
This one. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I did is I took the denominator as t, e power x plus e power minus x. If you take it as t, if you differentiate on both the sides, e power x minus e power minus x dx will be dt. So numerator is dt, denominator is t, answer will be log t. T is this thing substituted back.
Okay, sir.
I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So moving on to the next question. You people do this, tell me how to do. Dy by 1 plus y square is equal to 1 plus x square times x. Solve this, tell me what is the answer.
Tan inverse y equal to x plus x cube by 3 plus 2.
Tan inverse x y.
Y, sir.
Tan inverse y is equal to, how much is it? X plus x cube by 3.
C.
You can either leave it like this or you can write it as y is equal to tan of that thing. It's better to leave it in the form of inverse trigonometry. This will be the equation. Next one. Y log y dx is equal to x dy. So you can write it like this. Dx divided by x is equal to dy divided by y log. Now, see, left hand side is easy. Integrating, you get log x. But how will you deal right hand side?
Log y as t, sir.
You take log y as t. So for right hand side, you take log y is equal to t, then 1 by y into dy will be equal to dt. Means dy by y can be taken as dt and log y will be t. So what will you get?
Log of
log y.
Plus you can take it as log c. So try to have the log of log y on the left hand side. This will be equal to minus log x plus log c. So log of c by x is this thing, that is log of log y. Right. So log y will be equal to c by x, which implies c is equal to x log y. Or if you want to write y in terms of, so what you can do is, if you want only y, see, I'm not saying this is wrong, this is right. If you want only y in terms of x, then we can do some more rearrangement. C by x is log y. So from this, the alternate way to write is y is equal to e power c by x. This is also another solution. This is also right, or this is also right. Both mean the same. I'm not sure how the answer is given at the back.
Sir, it's e power cx it's given.
E power cx.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. No sign mistake, right? Y log y is equal
Sir,
to
it is
x.
log x plus log c, right?
Where no? Well, log x plus log c.
Yes.
No. See, this is there, no? Log y is there. Oh, yeah. So it will be log x minus log c. So it will be log of x by c is this thing. Then log y will be equal to x by c, which implies x is equal to c log y. This is one of the options. Or what we can do is y will be equal to e power x by c. This is another
Sir,
option.
there is no need of
Yeah, tell me.
minus log c, sir. Already
You
the
can
RSS is plus.
let us see log of log y. I took the log c to the other side now. According to what I have considered, I took log c to the other side now. See, you are trying to say the answer given is y is equal to e power cx. But the c he has the c that is
Oh,
considered
okay,
in
sir.
your
Okay.
textbook and my c are not the same,
Okay.
because it's a generic value.
We
Or
can take 1 by c as a constant.
you can take y is equal to e power kx, where that k is nothing but what? 1 by c. I hope you people are getting confused with this constant, no? If I'm not wrong. Do you want more clarity on that? I personally feel you are getting confused with this constant. You
Yes,
just
sir.
give me a okay.
Yes, sir.
See, you have nothing, because see, you have nothing to do with the C I'm taking and the one which is given in your textbook. Both the C doesn't mean the same, because they are arbitrary constant. You don't know what is the value of it. It is just some value that we are taking. Maybe if you look at the NCERT solution somewhere, they might have taken this log C on the left hand side. If you do that, then you would have got log x into log C. So what I'm trying to say here is, you need not worry about where the constant is, because someone asked me whether it is going to be right hand side or left hand side. It is not going to matter at all. So you can take it as log c on the left hand side. If you do that, then when the log c comes to the other side, I hope you understood this step. I'm using a blue color pen. Just confirm. I hope you understood this step, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
what
sir.
I did is, I took it as log x by c. Then I see log of something is equal to log of something. So I took the values inside the log to be equal. Log y is equal to x by c. Then I wrote x is equal to c into log y. If you leave it like this is also right. Maybe if you get this in MCQ and you say this as one of the options, you can mark it. Or if they give it in the form y is equal to f of x, then what we can do is log y. So from this step, what I'm getting is log y is equal to x by c. No, then y will be how much? From this step, if I write, y will be equal to e power x by c. Don't read it as x by c, read it as x by some constant. And remember, 1 by constant is also a constant. That 1 by c, you can call it as some other variable k, and you can still rearrange the equation. So you can write it as y is equal to e power kx, where the k that I have taken here and the c that they have taken in the textbook are the same. Okay, where that value of k or c will get revealed is when you try to write the particular solution. Your particular solution will be exactly the same for everyone. But general solution might vary only in terms of constant, not in terms of the expression. What I'm trying to say is, if you leave the answer like this, it is right. Or if you leave it like this also, it is right. Because it is textbook, they are given only one method, but I'm giving you 3 alternatives. I hope I could clear some part of your doubt.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah. Shall we proceed to the next one? Now see, you people try to solve this. dy minus dy divided by y power 5 is equal to dx divided by x power 5. So what is the integration answer for this? So what we can do is 1 by 4 right. I'm bringing this to the left hand side. X power minus 4 plus y power minus 4, the whole divided by 4 is c.
Sir, can you explain the second step, sir?
This one,
Yes, sir.
I integrated that. So y power minus 5 dy with a minus sign is minus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1.
Okay, sir.